Okay, for example 5, you've practiced using SOHCAHTOA to find the missing sides, and you should have already done the worksheet where you've practiced using SOHCAHTOA to find the missing sides. Now I'm going to teach you how to use SOHCAHTOA to find a missing angle. So here's example 5. Okay, see how this time we already know the two sides, but we don't know theta? We're still using SOHCAHTOA, but we're going to do something a little different in our calculator to help us find what the angle is. So before anything else, we have to figure out what trig function this is. So across from the theta, you go all the way across the triangle, that's opposite. Then if you're looking at the right angle, you go all the way across the right angle, and that's your hypotenuse. So you've got O and H, that means this is sine. So we've got sine of theta equals opposite 4 over hypotenuse 8. Okay, now that we need to put this in our calculator to find theta, do you see above the sine button how I have sine to the -1? Now most calculators you can hit second sine and it'll come up sine -1, or you can hit shift sine. Some calculators, like if your calculator button has sine and sine -1 both written on the button, you're just going to hit it twice and it should pop up sine -1. If that doesn't work for your calculator, just come see me and I'll help you. So for sine the -1, then you're going to just put in this fraction. So on your paper here, right, sine to the -1, this is called the inverse sine. So sine inverse, and you're going to do 4 divided by 8. So when you type in 4, oops, I just cleared everything out. Sine 4 divided by 8, okay, hit enter, it gives you 30. That means your angle is 30 degrees. That's your theta. So that's all you do. So when your triangle looks like this and you're trying to find the angle, figure out what sides you have, figure out if you need to use sine, cosine, or tangent, and then once you set up your fraction, you're just going to do the inverse of that. So you could do the cosine inverse or tangent inverse and figure out your angle that way. So you use the inverses when you're trying to find the angle. Okay, now go back to your table of contents and figure out which problems you need to do on the same worksheet that you just got finished with.